Ever feel like your brain is stuck in a foggy haze? Like you're running on low battery, struggling to focus, forgetting simple things, or feeling mentally drained for no reason? Brain fog is real, and science now has some fascinating discoveries about what causes it and how to fix it. Today, we're diving deep into the latest research, exploring hidden triggers, and uncovering solutions to get your mental clarity back. Stick around until the end for a surprising bonus tip that might just change everything for you. Understanding brain fog. What is it? Brain fog isn't a medical condition, but it's a symptom, a sign that something isn't right in your body or mind. It's characterized by difficulty concentrating, poor memory, mental fatigue, confusion or slow thinking. The tricky part: brain fog has many causes, but the good news? Science is uncovering ways to clear the fog and boost mental clarity. Latest research on brain fog. Number 1. The gut-brain connection. A groundbreaking 2024 study from Harvard Medical School found that an imbalance in gut bacteria can significantly impact brain function. Researchers discovered that inflammation triggered by poor gut health leads to cognitive dysfunction and sluggish thinking. The key takeaway: your diet plays a huge role in mental clarity. Processed foods, sugar, and artificial additives can disrupt gut bacteria and contribute to brain fog. Eating more probiotics, fiber-rich foods, and fermented products like yogurt and kimchi can help restore gut health and improve cognitive function. Have you ever noticed that what you eat affects how clear-headed you feel? Let me know in the comments. Number 2. Sleep deprivation and brain toxicity. A 2023 study published in Nature Neuroscience revealed that poor sleep quality leads to a buildup of beta-amyloid plaques, harmful waste proteins that impair brain function. Sleep is when the brain detoxifies itself, clearing out toxins that accumulate throughout the day. When you don't get enough deep sleep, these toxins linger, leading to brain fog, forgetfulness, and mental fatigue. Prioritizing sleep hygiene is crucial. Avoid screens before bed, maintain a regular sleep schedule, and create a relaxing nighttime routine to support optimal brain function. Do you struggle with sleep? Drop a yes in the comments if you do, and I'll share more sleep tips in a future video. Number 3. Chronic stress and hormonal imbalance. A recent 2024 study from Stanford University found that chronic stress disrupts cortisol levels, which can lead to long-term brain fog. High cortisol levels shrink the hippocampus, the brain's memory center, impairing focus and learning ability. Researchers noted that stress management techniques like mindfulness, meditation, and physical activity significantly improved mental clarity. Practicing stress reduction methods such as deep breathing, meditation, and even short walks can reset your brain and improve cognitive function. What's your go-to method for handling stress? Share in the comments. Other hidden causes of brain fog. 1. Dehydration. Even mild dehydration can lead to sluggish thinking. The brain is about 75% water, and even a 2% drop in hydration can impact memory and concentration. Drink enough water throughout the day, and avoid excessive caffeine, which can dehydrate you. Vitamin deficiencies. Deficiencies in B12, D3, and omega-3 South have been linked to poor cognitive function. B12, in particular, is essential for nerve health and brain function. Consider getting blood work to check for deficiencies and supplement if needed. 3. Too much screen time. Excessive blue light exposure from screens disrupts melatonin production and exhausts the brain. Take regular breaks from screens, use blue light filters, and practice the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look 20 feet away for 20 seconds. How to beat brain fog and boost mental clarity. 1. Improve your diet. Eat whole foods, rich in antioxidants and healthy fats. Avoid ultra-processed foods and refined sugars. Prioritize sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep. Try magnesium or herbal teas for relaxation. 3. Manage stress effectively. Practice mindfulness and deep breathing exercises. Engage in physical activity daily. 4. Stay hydrated. Keep a water bottle with you at all times. Add electrolytes if needed. 5. Limit toxins and screen time. Reduce exposure to environmental toxins, pesticides, chemicals in household products, etc. Limit digital overload and engage in offline activities. Here's a surprising one: cold exposure. Research shows that cold showers or ice baths can increase norepinephrine, a neurotransmitter that improves focus and reduces brain fog. A 2024 study in Frontiers in Neuroscience found that just 30 seconds of cold exposure can boost mental clarity by improving oxygen and blood flow to the brain. End your shower with 30 seconds of cold water, gradually increasing over time. Brain fog is frustrating, but the good news is you can take control. By improving your gut health, prioritizing sleep, managing stress, and making small daily changes, you can clear the fog and feel mentally sharp again. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future health and wellness tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.